Through to win. Close. The end of the fine innings, 3 balls to be bowled, 3 runs, and Carl Rackham will make his way to the wicket. What a finish, what a match.
Carl doesn't mind that.
Carl Rackham. Swing and a miss. Oh, the pressure mounts. Wasn't a good delivery.
Wasn't a good shot.
In comes Imran Khan. Bowling! Wow, what a finish. Rackham and clean bowled by Imran. 1 ball to be bowled. 2 runs for victory, and it's going to be the veteran Terry Alderman to face the music. What a finish. As Alderman takes guard. Indicata on the Pakistan manager. He's bringing his fieldsman in a couple of paces at deep mid wicket.
Where is Javed?
Oh, the 12th man, Shoaib Mohammed's coming out on the field. There was a message, he's been sent back. It's all happening at the Sydney Cricket Ground, and there's nobody at mid-wicket. The last delivery from Imran to Terry Alderman. And he's missed it. So it's all over. Great victory for Pakistan, a real crippling on.